In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display Ical calendar events on your Google Calendar. Integrating your calendars is a helpful way to ensure that all your important events are consolidated in one place, making managing your schedule much smoother. We'll guide you through the process using your web browser, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. If you aren't already logged in, take a moment to do so with your Google account credentials. Once you're in, turn your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a small gear icon. This is where your settings are located. Click on this gear icon to open the drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list. By entering the settings, a whole new world of options opens up to fine-tune your calendar experience. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu. Look for the section titled Import and Export and click on it. This section is a vital tool for managing external calendar events, including your Ical events in this instance. Now, after selecting Import and Export, you'll see another option under the Import heading called Select File from your computer. Click on this option to bring up the file selection dialog from your operating system. It's time to navigate to where you've stored your Ical file. The file should have the extension .ies. These files can typically be generated through your calendar application, or perhaps someone has shared this file with you. Once you've selected your ICS file, there's one more decision to make. Underneath where you selected the file, there's a drop-down menu labeled Add to Calendar. This is where you choose which of your Google calendars you'd like to integrate the Ical events into. Take a moment to think about which calendar will best help you manage these events, particularly if you have multiple calendars for different purposes such as work, personal, or hobbies. With your file selected and the calendar chosen, all that's left is clicking the Import button. This action will kick off the import process, which usually only takes a moment. After it's done, all the events from the IC's file will be available in your chosen Google Calendar, seamlessly integrating into your existing schedule. Now you're all set. Your Ical events should appear right alongside your existing ones, consolidated into a single, easy-to-use calendar view. This integration makes keeping track of events from different sources more convenient and ensures you won't miss important dates. Thank you for following along and enjoy the freedom of a unified calendar experience.